Hi you guys, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to find the instructional planning report from Star Reading or Star Maths. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Renaissance demo site, where all information and data is fictional. First, log into your Renaissance place. Then we can go to either Star Maths or Star Reading. Then, click on Reports. Here, we can find the Instructional Planning Class Report or the Instructional Planning Student Report. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Instructional Planning Student Report. Here, we can set various different filters, such as a specific class or year group, a specific school benchmark, or even a custom date. For this tutorial, we'll be using the default filters. Then click View Report. Here you can see the instructional planning report for one student. The report will identify the student's current performance and projected performance according to school benchmark. The report will outline suggested skills and focus skills aligned to the national curriculum that a pupil must master in order to see growth. Skills with the double chevrons identify focus skills that must be mastered according to the child's chronological age or year group. The report offers a multitude of different skills that a teacher must ensure each pupil masters to see growth. This supports further planning and also supports sequence learning. For more information, go to our website, renlearn.co.uk, or see our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials.